Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video we'll be looking at the sound M. The name for this letter is M and the sound it makes is M. Let's look at some words that start with this sound. M is for man, man. M is for milk, milk. M is for monkey, monkey. M is for monster, monster. M is for moon, moon. M is for mop, mop. M is for mouse, mouse. M is for mouth, mouth. M is for mum, mum. M is for mushroom, mushroom. All of those words started with the sound M. Practice makes progress, so let's look at those words again. M is for man, man. M is for milk, milk. M is for monkey, monkey. M is for monster, monster. M is for moon, moon. M is for mop, mop. M is for mouse, mouse. M is for mouth, mouth. M is for mum, mum. M is for mushroom, mushroom. That concludes our M words for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.